Yo, what's up? It's your boy Gray Scott. Back. Got a stash video for you people. It ain't really put together and all, but it is laying out, so I figured I'd give you guys a video real quick so you know what I'm working with this year. So, well, this is all covered up. But this is a cactus. The hell is this shit called? Wild cactus. It's a willow cake. Pretty nice. Bombshell. Wildcat. Spartan. Got Pandora's box. What else is back there? Hold on. Got I think that's Special Ops. That's a home run sitting in a box. For contact. Be all the end all is a fountain, which is actually pretty nice. Assassins, assault. Few items. Got excited for this one here. All That Glitters by Dominator. Got some color cakes. Suicide Pimpin'. Pro Cake. Got another one. What is that? Full Metal Jacket, 2-inch. Tai Chi. Just a fat cat. Inside of it is a cake that I was making. Haven't quite finished yet. I'll get to it eventually. What we got down here? Remix. And we got Super Impulsive, I think. Imposing, Star Spangled. Got some Mammoth cakes. That is. What the hell is that called? My brain is fried. Motherball Bombs, and also that's a Ghost. Both of those 3 inches in there. Broke them apart. It wouldn't fit in the ride, so that's the only way they could come home if I broke them up. Got some fountains for the TKs. A couple of goodies down there. You should know what those are. Just big ass shit. Windows CEO assortment. Got some Window Donut shells right here. So this case of Maddox Haunted House. Box of random goodies. So these guys, they look pretty cool. Had to grab them. I think I went to save them as collectibles. Let's go this way. What we got? SWAT Team Ground Zero. 2 Greatest Moments. The artwork may be cheesy, but the breaks on these cakes are outstanding. Definitely, you would definitely want to grab those. What else is here? I got a couple of 4 Kings. Case of Pulse Pounder. Case of Cones. Case of Fiery Sunflower. Got a case of Beach Vibes. Case of Quantum Zoo. Those are some Roman candles. I got 3 assortments of the Elvis. Pretty nice assortment. I ain't gonna lie. Said I got 3 of them sitting there. I got some other assortments. I got Truckload by Maddox. I got a Judge, Jury, and the Executioner. Got World War III Dominators. Got so much stuff in there. Got another one. I was looking through it. It's in the house. This is another CEO assortment. As you see, got some shells. Well, first, before the shells, what are these? Ballistic Barrage 228. Pretty nice. New on the market. Black Mambas. Got some 6-inch bombs. I love these shells. Also got the Nightwing 5-inch by Acme. New for 2022. Pretty nice shells as well. Also new by Acme are the Super Artillery. I think these are overloaded, but don't tell nobody. More Chronics over there. I got some more in here somewhere. Oh, I put them in my racks. I already started fusing. Need to finish, but the Chronics. What the hell? Plug came out. Yeah, I need to start fusing up. Finish, get ready. All my other shit is buried. I gotta get my other racks out of behind there. I got a 4-inch on the way. Excited for that. Oh, I forgot I had some Kush shells sitting over there. Got some more, but you guys get the idea. You know, my little junk piles, rockets. I got my other boxes stacked up underneath there, but I'll get to those another time. But for now, this is my 2022 fireworks stash. Thanks for watching, people. And next time I'll try to be a little bit more organized with what's going on. Yeah, I forgot my daytime parachutes. 4th of July, those are pretty nice. My wife's a big parachute fan, so I gotta, show her some love because she likes pyro as well. So yeah, if you guys see this, pick it up. Pretty badass fountain. Not even gonna lie to you. Alright, well that's it for that. Peace, people.